Bravo Studio tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Bravo Studio. Bravo Studio is a no-code mobile app builder. With Bravo Studio, you can transform your Figma or Adobe XD designs into stunning native mobile apps effortlessly. In this tutorial, we'll cover all the basics of Bravo Studio and walk you through the process of creating your very own app. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Bravo Studio, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Start Free Trial button. This will redirect you to another page where you can select a plan to proceed. For this tutorial, we will choose the free plan, so click on the Start for Free button. After clicking on the button, you will be directed to the registration page. It's important to note that the only available option to sign up for a new account is by using Figma. If you don't have a Figma account, you won't be able to proceed with Bravo. Therefore, make sure to create a Figma account if you don't have one already. Once you have signed up with your Figma account, the next step is to set up your profile. Enter your first and last name in the provided fields and click on the Continue button. This will prompt you to personalize your account by following the on-screen prompts. Take your time to customize your account according to your preferences. After personalizing your account, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can start exploring the features and functionalities offered by Bravo. Whether you're creating prototypes, collaborating with team members, or managing your design projects, Bravo provides a comprehensive platform to enhance your workflow and bring your ideas to life. Once you access the dashboard of Bravo, you will notice its simplicity and user-friendly layout. The dashboard primarily consists of a left menu that provides access to various tabs and features. The first tab on the left menu is labeled Apps. This tab displays all the apps you have created using Bravo. It serves as a central hub for managing your projects. From here, you can easily navigate to a specific app and make modifications or updates as needed. Additionally, if you want to start a new app from scratch, you can click on the Create a New App option and follow the prompts to begin the app creation process. The next tab on the left menu is API Collections. This feature allows you to organize your API requests by creating collections for each data source. Within this tab, you can view all the API requests you have made and manage them efficiently. Furthermore, if you need to create a new collection for a specific API, you can do so by following the provided options. Another tab you will find on the left menu is Sample Apps. In this section, Bravo offers a collection of sample apps that you can use as a starting point for your own projects. These sample apps serve as templates, providing you with pre-built structures and functionalities that you can duplicate and customize according to your needs. It's a helpful resource for accelerating your app development process. Apart from these tabs, Bravo also provides additional options in the left menu. You can learn more about Bravo itself, explore documentation or help resources in the Help Center, and provide feedback on your experience using Bravo. These options ensure that you have the necessary support and resources to make the most out of the platform. Now, let's see how to create a new app in Bravo Studio. To create a new app in Bravo Studio, you have two options, starting from scratch or using a sample app as a foundation for customization. If you prefer to create an app from scratch, begin by navigating to the left menu and clicking on the Apps tab. This will take you to the Apps window. Once there, click on the Create a New App option. From here, you have two choices. You can design your app using either Figma or Adobe XD, and then integrate them with Bravo Studio to convert your design into a functional app. Alternatively, you can create a new app by utilizing the available sample apps. To do this, go to the left menu and click on the Sample Apps tab. This will direct you to a page where various sample apps are showcased. Browse through the options and select the sample app that best suits your requirements. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume we choose the To-Do List sample app. Once you have selected the sample app, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, click on the Duplicate button. This action will create a copy of the sample app that you can modify and customize to your preference. You will then be redirected to the Bravo Studio editor, where you can make the necessary changes to the app and tailor it according to your specific needs and design preferences. Once you enter the Bravo Studio editor, you'll notice that the interface is divided into three main sections, offering a clear and organized workspace. The first section is the left sidebar, located next to the left menu. In this sidebar, you will find the sample app screens and screen elements that are available for your project. These screens serve as a visual representation of the different pages or views within your app. The central area of the editor is where you will primarily focus on customizing the app screens. When you click on a specific app screen from the left sidebar, it will appear in the center area of the editor. This is where you can make modifications, add or remove elements, and design the layout of the screen according to your preferences. It provides a canvas-like space where you can visualize and fine-tune the visual aspects of your app. The right sidebar section of the editor provides you with options for customization. When you interact with the content within a particular screen, the right sidebar will display a set of relevant customization options. To customize the sample app in Bravo Studio, you first need to choose the specific screen you want to modify from the App Screens section located in the left sidebar of the editor. By selecting a screen, you can then proceed to customize its content according to your preferences. To do this, simply click on the content element within the screen, and the right sidebar will automatically open, presenting you with various options for customization. Let's consider an example where we want to customize the to-do list screen. By clicking on the to-do list screen in the left sidebar, it will appear in the central area of the editor. Now, you have the ability to customize the content of this screen to match your desired design and functionality. If you click on any specific element within the screen, such as the to-do label, you will notice that the right sidebar provides you with customization options specific to that element. Once you have customized the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. To publish your app, locate the Publish option at the top center of the editor. However, it's important to note that if you're using the free plan, you won't be able to publish your app directly. In order to publish your app to make it accessible to users, you will need to upgrade to one of the paid plans that Bravo offers. These plans provide additional features and capabilities, including the ability to share and distribute your app to a wider audience. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Bravo Studio. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, enabling you to unleash your creativity and bring your app ideas to life. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.